Okay, this video is a request for the Duckman. I need your help. Let me show you what I did here. I'll replace this 009 with an Amazon one. This distributor actually fires every 100th of a second, so it cannot miss its mark. And I replaced the coil as well. And I put this on the other Volkswagen and I couldn't get it to run. I rebuilt the carburetor, just the gaskets and stuff like that, didn't change anything else. But I had that system on this Volkswagen here. Got a brand new carburetor, fuel pressure reducer, put the brand new coil on there, put that distributor on this one, and I couldn't get it to run. So that right there is an empty distributor. And only fires once every 4 times. But the problem I'm having is, for every rotation of the flywheel, it only turns 180 degrees. And the other problem I'm having is top dead center used to be pointed at piston number 1. Top dead center is no longer pointing at piston number 1. It's either at 11 o'clock or 5 o'clock. So I can get it to sputter, but I can't get it to run. Now this one over here, since it fires continuously, the same thing. That distributor I put in there, you turn the flywheel a full turn, it doesn't come back to top dead center like it was before. Each turn of that wheel is only 180 degrees rather than 360 degrees like the 009 was. But since this one fires continuously, this one runs. I put all this stuff in there, put some fuel in there, starts right up. Runs like a champ. I need to time it. I need to adjust the fuel. But yeah, on this one, there's only the fuel adjustment there, and I don't see another one. It runs a little rough. I don't see where the other fuel thing is. Well, give me your opinion. Let me know what you think.